Hello everybody, welcome to Kingdom of Heaven Ministries International. We are back again with our daily devotionals today, and the topic is called Sound the Trumpet. Our scripture focus is taken from Numbers chapter 10 verse 9, which says, "When you go to war in your land against the enemy who oppresses you, then you shall sound an alarm with the trumpets, and you will be remembered before the Lord your God, and you will be saved from your enemies." Sound the trumpet and you will be saved, because the Lord hears you and remembers you. What trumpet is being discussed here? The trumpet is also called the shofar, made from ram's horn. Interestingly, the word trumpet is also synonymous to a roar, a cry, or wail. In ancient Israel, it was customary for the Israelites to use the shofar as a battle cry, to gather the people together, which is written in the book of Nehemiah, a warning call, as well as to usher in certain feasts like the Jewish New Year. Whether the shofar is blown physically for any of the above said reasons, or as believers we cry out to the Lord in intercession or prayers, the Lord has promised to hear us. He promises to remember us. Recall Hannah, who was barren, called out to the Lord with grief and a sorrowful spirit. The scripture says in 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 19, that the Lord remembered Hannah. The Lord blesses her with a child whom she named Samuel, and Samuel went on to become one of the prominent prophets in the Bible. Many a times when with trials and tribulations of life, we may feel that the Lord has forgotten us. But fear not, the Creator never forgets His creations. The scripture says that not a sparrow falls to the ground without His knowledge. Ever asked why? One reason is because God knows everything and He is everywhere. Another reason is because He created that sparrow and He knows everything that happens to that one particular bird, even though there are millions of sparrows out there. Are we not more precious than the sparrow? Similarly, when we cry out to Him in our needs, He hears us. He will save us from our enemies. He will heal us and restore us. He will meet our needs no matter what they are and how impossible they are. Be encouraged today that when you go before the Lord with your supplications and petition, the Lord hears. Remember that delay does not mean denial. He is working everything for good for those who love Him and who are called according to His purposes. We may not be happy with His timing, but it is always perfect, as He is always on time, never late. Just trust Him and watch His salvation. Amen.